Hello guys, this is Ralph. I'm very excited and looking forward to our first conference call of the ambassador group of BLTG Technology Group. And before we get started, I want to help you with a short video how you can join for those who don't know how to use Discord and how to join our call tomorrow. I hope I can help you with this short video. So first thing you have to do when you are in our group, BLTG Technology Group, you see on the left hand side, scroll down to the end where you see your own profile and just click here on the user settings. Then you have this new menu and then you go here to voice and video. And when here is nothing activated by default, just click push to talk. So I show you push to talk, and then in this field, text field here, you can just click and choose any kind of space you want. For example, you can choose space, or as I did here, mouse, and just click stop recording. And you see it's working. So, and also what you can do is here just change a little bit, up to you. So just check when you join us how your sound is working here, input volume, output volume. I did it to the maximum, so just do it. Usually it's set by default and it's working, so but you can just try yourself out, and here's a test video also. You can see if your camera is working, but we are not going to work with our cameras tomorrow. We only want to use voice. So, and then what you also can do is when you go to keybinds, you can just add another one if you want. I work with this one with the left side of my mouse, and this is quite okay. So yeah, so this is done, and then we go back, and then tomorrow when we have our talk, go down here to the general room, just click here and you will see it's directly starting connecting, and you can see here voice connected. And when you want to talk, you have to press the key you have chosen as hotkey. In my case it's the mouse. So when you see when I press my mouse, I get this green ring around my picture, and when I stop, then you see now you cannot hear me anymore when you're in the voice channel. So if every time you want to talk, press the key you have chosen and you see it's green, and now everyone will hear you. So yeah, that's it. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And yeah, I'm looking forward to talk with you tomorrow, Wednesday, and see you and hear you there. Bye bye.